Did you know that this humble leafy green, purslane, is packed with incredible health benefits? Let's dive into why this amazing plant is considered a nutritional powerhouse and a natural remedy for many ailments. Purslane is renowned for improving brain function. It supports mental clarity and enhances memory, making it a great addition to your diet. If you're dealing with excess heat or a warm and dry temperament, purslane works wonders in regulating body temperature and balancing your internal state. It's also effective in treating diarrhea caused by an excess of warm and dry temperament and easing itching caused by some skin irritations. For women, purslane is a natural remedy for infections, providing gentle yet powerful support to maintain wellness. Looking to manage your appetite? Purslane helps suppress hunger while hydrating your body tissues, making it perfect for overall health and weight management. From regulating blood pressure to controlling blood sugar and fat levels, purslane supports your cardiovascular health in remarkable ways. It's also a great ally for liver health, helping combat fatty liver, which may be connected to symptoms like tinnitus. Drinking purslane juice can significantly reduce itching, inflammation, and even allergic reactions, thanks to its cooling properties. Purslane purifies the blood, aids in kidney and bladder stone removal, and provides relief for heat-related discomfort in the liver, stomach, and blood. Even the seeds of purslane are exceptional for soothing itchiness and providing additional healing benefits. Thanks to its cooling effect on the liver, purslane helps resolve skin conditions related to liver imbalances. It's a natural remedy for constipation, hemorrhoids, and even thirst relief. Whether you enjoy it fresh in salads, as a juice, or even use its seeds, purslane is nature's gift for a healthier, happier you. Add it to your diet today and experience the difference. Wait. Looking to incorporate purslane and other nutritious, but often overlooked foods I introduce here, into your meals and unlock their incredible benefits? Check out my ebooks for unique and nourishing recipes, 11 super healthy and nutritious recipes, and recipes for the treatment of Alzheimer's and dementia. Discover how these amazing herbs and foods can transform your cooking and support your health journey. You'll find the links in the description.